So in the last video, we covered the vortex velocity and I'll just delete it. And we have just the last velocity, that is rotational velocity. Just type the velocity, find this below, rotational velocity. You can put it here in the spawn and you can also put it here, but you need, because it gives you 3 axes, that means it will work on the mesh. So I'll delete this sprite and I'll take the mesh render and I'll decrease the spawn rate to 10. So you can see it has by default that mesh that shows the axis. So now in the velocity, if I just put on the x, you can see these are all rotating on the x, on the y, and on the z. And if you put it here in the update, it will work the same. It will just multiply that and it will rotate faster. So you need to decrease it. But best, and it will like keep increasing because of the multiplier of the frames. So better is to put it here like the all other velocity. You can use 2 axes together. So it works like update rotation, that works in the update, but you can put it in here in the velocity. So it has just this option, okay, nothing much. And then you can use this mesh coordinates, or you can use local or world. So let me check how does it work, because I don't use it much. So if you have this z axis and you have this local fx, now here if I make this z 0 and put f, particle moving on the z, see, and if I rotate this, now particle moving on that same axis, okay. And here this is mesh, so if you take the local, it will work the same. But if you take the world, I think now things will change. See, now it's taking the world z, that is this. If you press w, this is, so it's rotating on that axis. So this is very cool. If you want, like if I rotate it like this, cool. If I make this 0, this is cool, but I don't use it much. But I hope now I will use it. So now we have finished all our velocity modules inside the Niagara. So I hope you liked it. Thanks. Bye.